Good morning, students. I hope you are well at your side. Today we will start a new chapter, natural vegetation in the physical geography. Physical geography का chapter number 5, natural vegetation. So when we go to a forest or for a picnic, we see the many types of trees. Some trees and varieties may be found growing wild in the forest under natural conditions, and the same trees may be the planted one in our garden under human supervision. तो टू टाइप्स की वेजिटेशन होती हैं, एक फॉरेस्ट वेजिटेशन जो विदाउट ह्यूमन एड ग्रो होती है और एक ह्यूमन के सुपरविजन में अंडर ह्यूमन सुपरविजन जो प्लांटेशन होता है। तो ये टू टाइप्स की जो ट्रीज होते हैं, एक जो नेचुरली ग्रो होता है और एक जो ह्यूमन एड से ग्रो होता है। अब जो नेचुरली ग्रो होता है, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन रेफर्स टू ए प्लांट कम्युनिटी दैट हैज बीन लेफ्ट अनडिस्टर्ब ओवर ए लॉन्ग टाइम। तो नेचुरली grow and undisturbed for a long time, undisturbed for a long time without any human aid, without any human aid. Without any human aid. So natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally and left undisturbed over a long time so as to allow its individual species to adjust themselves to climate and soil conditions as fully as possible, कि वो जितना हो सके अपने नेचुरल क्लाइमेट में ग्रो होती हैं, that are called the natural vegetation. India is a land of great variety of natural vegetation, और जहां पर great variety of natural vegetations होती हैं और flora and fauna होती है, that place are called the hot spots. उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? hot spot. जो variety है जहां पर various types of plant species and various types of animal species are found there. These regions are called the hot spots. So Himalayas heights are marked with temperate vegetations. The Western Ghats and the Andaman Nicobar Island have tropical rainforest. The deltatic regions have tropical forest and mangroves. The desert and the semi-desert areas of Rajasthan are known for cacti plant, a wide variety of bushes and thorny vegetation depending upon the variations in the climate and the soils. The main factor responsible for the variation of plant species are the rainfall, land structure and soil and climate. The main factors are soil and climate. The vegetation of India changes from one region to another region due to variation of soil and due to variation in the climatic condition. On the basis of certain common features such as predominant vegetation types and climatic regions, Indian forests can be divided into the following groups. India की जो vegetations है उनके groups में, तो types of forests in India are the first type of forest, tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forests. Second type of forests are the tropical deciduous forests. tropical deciduous forest and third type of forest tropical thorn forest. Tropical thorn forests, mountain forests, and fifth type of forest are the mangrove forests. These are the types of forest in India, or these are the distribution of natural vegetation in India. इनको हम distribution of natural vegetation भी कह सकते हैं. There are 5 types of vegetation found in India. These are the tropical, evergreen and semi-evergreen forest. जैसा कि नाम से स्पष्ट है, the literally means evergreen. It means the green throughout of the year. These plants are found in the areas where the annual rainfall is more than 200 centimeter per annum. जहां पर 200 सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा की रेनफॉल होती है, that area is called the evergreen forest or semi-evergreen forest. Second type of these plants does not shed their leaves in a particular time period or a particular season. Tropical deciduous forests are the forests which are found in the rainfall between the 100 to 200 centimeter per annum, and these are two types of forest: hot deciduous forest and dry deciduous and wet deciduous forest. Tropical thorn forest or bushes. Thorn forest means कांटेदार. These are found in the areas which have the rainfall less than 100 centimeter per annum, and these are found in the desert area in Gujarat and Rajasthan and the some part of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Mountain forest or mountain forest. These forests are found in the hilly areas, especially in the northern Himalayas and the northeastern Himalayas, northeastern hills. Mangrove forests are found in the swampy areas and littoral areas where the muddy and swampy climates are found. In the coastal areas, especially in the Western Ghat and eastern coastal areas and some parts of Odisha and West Bengal. तो ये उन एरियाज में फाउंड होते हैं जहां पर नमी ज्यादा होती है और जहां रेनफॉल मोर देन 400 सेंटीमीटर पर एनम होती है. तो दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट एरियाज और नेचुरल वेजिटेशंस इन इंडिया. Now we have detailed discussed the tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forest. So these forests are found in hot and humid areas of climate in India. The average annual rainfall in these areas above 200 centimeter and humidity more than 70%. Rainfall 200 centimeter per annum and humidity is the 70%. जहां पर ह्यूमिडिटी 70% होगी, रेनफॉल 200 से अबोव होगा. These areas are characteristics by all trees whose height varies from 45 to 60 meters. इन ट्रीज की हाइट जो है वो 45 से लेकर के 60 मीटर तक की होती है. एंड these are the straight and tall trees. And dense forest, due to high heat and high humidity, different trees germinate, grow and weather at different times, enabling the entire vegetation look as evergreen forest. The important trees of these forests are rubber, mahogany, ebony. Rubber, mahogany, ebony, coconut, canes, palms, bamboos, lianes, ferns, ironwood, due to thick growth, the sun rays do not reach the surface of the earth. घने पेड़ होने के कारण सनलाइट अर्थ के सरफेस तक नहीं पहुंच पाती और उस वजह से ये सनलाइट लेने के लिए इनकी हाइट बढ़ती जाती है एंड द sun's rays do not reach the surface of the earth and there is a darkness below the trees. Under these circumstances, the trees rise high competing with one another. सनलाइट लेने के लिए एक दूसरे से compete करते हुए ट्रीज की हाइट है वो एक दूसरे से आगे आ जाती है and these forests are spread over 4.6 million hectares in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. असम, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, वेस्ट बंगाल and on the western slopes of the western Ghats, they are hardwood forests and are not very important economically. The semi-evergreen forests are found in the less rainy parts of these regions. इन्हीं एरियाज में जहां ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट फाउंड होते हैं, जहां पर कम रेनफॉल होती है, वहां सेमी एवरग्रीन forests are found. Such forests have a mixture of evergreen and moist deciduous trees. The undergrowing climbers provide an evergreen character to these forests. Main species are white kedar, hollow and kale trees.